You know, people ask, why is it so hard to get a photograph of a ivory-billed woodpecker?
They live in hell.
And I'll tell you, take a look at this.
This is it, man, prime habitat.
So even to see a bird is low percentage. To try to get a photograph without being blocked or have some vegetation causing you focus issues. But this is exactly why we've gone to wearing head cams, and they're on 24/7, so that if we see something with our eyes, the camera on top of our head sees it too. We are in the thick of it.
Come on, son.